So looking at volumes in moles per decimeter cubed, if there's 2 decimeter cubed, sorry, if the concentration here, 1 mole per decimeter cubed, that means that in 1 decimeter cubed there would be 1 mole. So in 2 decimeter cubed there would be 2 moles. In this one now it says 0.25 in 1 decimeter cubed. So in 1 decimeter cubed, well, that's actually just going to be this one's going to be 0.25 because it's saying how many moles in 1 decimeter cubed, and they've got 1 decimeter cubed. So that's just going to be 0.25. This one, it's saying that the concentration is 2.5 moles per decimeter cubed. So we have 1/10 of a mole. So we're going to the amount of moles would be 1/10. So yeah, 0.25. This one is saying there's 2 moles in 1 per decimeter cubed. So 0.5. So if we have half the volume, so imagine this is 1 decimeter cubed. Inside that would be 2 moles. We've only got half of that, so therefore it's going to be 1 mole. Okay, so that's 1 mole. Let's look at this one. Okay, so what about have a look at the next 2. So let's look at question. In fact, let's look at, let's say, question. What would be a good one to look at? Let's say let's do question 5. So the volume is 5 decimeter cubed. The concentration is 0.1. So 0.1 moles per decimeter cubed. So in every decimeter cubed, there's 0.1 moles. And we worked out the amount of moles was 5. So 5 moles. So what did I? Hang on a second. It's not 5. It's 0.5. So the amount, because it's going to be 5 times. If there's 0.1 in 1 moles per in 1 decimeter cubed, then there's going to be 5 times of that in 5 decimeter cubed. In every 1 decimeter cubed, there's 0.1. That's what that concentration means. It's telling you how many moles will you get for every decimeter cubed. So a decimeter cubed, I think part of the problem is we're using weird units, but you can just, a decimeter cubed is actually just a litre. A mole is just, for now, we did look at what a mole is in a previous lesson, but it's a bit complicated and it's a bit strange. But just think about it as the amount of stuff, amount of whatever it is, right? So we just want to know how much. If there's that many for every litre, then in 5 litres there's going to be 5 times as much. If there's this many for every litre, that's 3 litres. It's going to be 3 times as much. So the answer is 0.6 moles. So, in other words, to work out the number of moles, all I did is I did the volume multiplied by the concentration. Okay? All right.